Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're gonna do air fryer honey mustard pork chops. Let's go. All right, first up we're gonna make our sauce that we're gonna marinate the pork in. Well, not marinate, just kind of coat it. So I need about a half a cup of Dijon mustard, about a fourth of a cup of honey, a splash of lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. And we're just gonna mix this all together. And this is what we're gonna pour over or kind of dredge our pork chops in so that they kind of cook, and this mixture with the honey will kind of, you know, caramelize and get all nice and golden brown and delicious on our pork chops as they cook in the air fryer. Now I am going to make a double batch of this sauce because I want to be able to drizzle fresh sauce over it, and since I'm putting raw pork into this mixture, I don't want to use this to drizzle on top once they're cooked. So you could at this point either separate this out. I have 6 pork chops though that I'm gonna need, so I'll just make another little pot of sauce for dipping. All right, we're gonna dip our pork chops into our honey mustard blend, shake off a little bit of the extra here, and I'm gonna place it in my air fryer basket. This is gonna kind of make a mess in my air fryer. Luckily mine is dishwasher safe, so that'll make for easier cleanup. You could also put one of those parchment paper liners. You could just do this on the stove in a skillet. You could also bake this, so whatever is easiest for you, that's what you should do. All right, we have our pork chops in the basket, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my air fryer. Mine's actually a ChefMaker, so it's a little bit different. We're gonna go to chef mode, choose pork chops. And I do need to use the probe for this. So I'm just making sure my probe is at least halfway into my pork chop. Okay, and then we'll hit play. I need to have water in my water tank, which I do, and it looks like it's gonna take about 26 minutes. All right, our air fryer says that it is done, so I'm gonna pull these out. Oh, they look and smell so good. So I'm going to take all of these out and just let them kind of rest on a plate for a couple minutes while I finish up heating up some corn, and then we will get it all dished up and ready to go. Alrighty, our pork chops have rested for just a little while, so we're going to go ahead and plate up a couple for dinner along with the sauce we made. This is not the one I dipped the raw meat into because you don't want to accidentally get something nasty in there. So we're just going to kind of drizzle some fresh sauce over there. And then I made just some rice and corn to go along with this meal because easy, delicious, quick. We'll add some butter to our rice here in a minute, but that is dinner done. It smells delicious. It's going to taste delicious. So I hope you guys give this a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.